What's going on, everybody? Austin here from Mytee with another quick how-to video for you. Today we're going to be talking about how to set up and operate the S-300 and S-300H tempo spotters. Let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I've got my machine right here. The first thing we want to do is put some water in the machine. So I've got a bucket here. This tempo model has a 1 gallon capacity. You want to make sure that you do not overfill the machine. We recommend putting just clean water into the machine, but if you would like to use a chemical, we also recommend that it is liquid, not powdered, and low or non-foaming to protect your machine. Next step, guys, is to go ahead and connect our upholstery tool. This is the included airlight with the 8-foot hose. First, I'm going to connect the vacuum cuff over the vacuum inlet port there at the top, and then our brass quick connect is going to go right here on the front. Now that we have that attached, we can go ahead and connect to power. I'll take the power cord that comes right here out of the front faceplate, connect to any standard outlet. A 15 amp circuit is okay with this machine. So now that we have water, we have power, and we have our tools connected, we are ready to start turning some of these components on. If you have a non-heated model, you can go ahead and hit the pump, hit the vacuum switch, and get cleaning. If you have a heated model, like I have with me today, you need to follow a specific procedure to avoid vapor locking your unit. So we're gonna go ahead and start by priming our pump. I'm gonna hit the pump switch, turn that on. I'm going to point my tool back into the opening of the water tank so I can prime without losing water. And you're going to hold that down until you have a steady flow of water that's not choppy. That lets me know that my pump is primed. After we have a primed pump, step 2 is going to be engage the heater. Now we're going to let the heater come up to temperature for about 7 to 10 minutes, and then we'll be right back. All right, so it has been 10 minutes. We're back. We're ready to get cleaning here. I'm going to go ahead and hit the last switch, which is the vacuum one. Once that is on, we're going to go ahead and take our tool. A good rule of thumb while I'm cleaning is for every 1 wet pass that I do with the trigger down, I follow that with 2 dry passes off the trigger. This is going to help make sure that my water stays hot, and it's also going to prevent me from over-wetting the upholstery. All right, guys, so we are all done cleaning, and the last step here is to empty out our dirty tank. The drain cap right back here is where you're going to drain from, either into a bucket like I've got here, or straight into a sink, toilet, or appropriate drain. Okay, guys, that is the end of our video. If you need any more information, check out mytee.com. You can also connect with us on Twitter, Instagram, or join our Facebook group, All Things Mytee. Thank you so much for watching, and have a mighty fine day.